And that's a very delicious and tasty chili sauce done.
I see lots of ingredients here today. So what is it that we are making?
We are making a very simple chili sauce. To start with, we will need some dried chili flakes, like that, and some sesame seeds. This is optional, but it tastes better and looks better with the sesame seeds. So we are going to put a couple of spoons of the chili flakes in the bowl, preferably with a lid, so you can cover that up. And a couple of spoons of sesame seeds. Mix that up well. So that's the base of chili done. And for the oil, we'll need some Sichuan peppercorn. That's optional. You can use normal peppercorn. And 1 sand ginger. And 1 star anise. If you don't have any of this, don't worry, you just need oil. But in order to have your chili oil have other fragrance, you can add these ingredients in there. If you're going to add anything, make sure that the pan is cold, like so. And, we're going to add cold oil to start with. This is groundnut oil. You can use vegetable oil. Just going to use enough to cover those. It's important that you add them in cold so the ingredients don't burn. Okay, now we're just going to heat this very gently. Put them on very low heat. This will take 5 minutes or so. It's important that we give those ingredients time to heat up to release the fragrance. So that's why low heat. So about 5 minutes or until you see light smoke come out. That means the oil is done. Meantime, we've done some chicken soup. It's really easy, just chicken bones and water. That's it. And it's been slow cooked for about an hour and a half. Can you see the light smoke coming out? That means it's ready. Turn off the gas. Now, make sure you mix the chili flakes and the sesame seeds well. And we're just going to pour that in. Make sure you stir as you go so the chili flakes don't burn. And that's a very delicious and tasty chili sauce done.